Shame that tune!
And now we're going to hear the song about your diary entry. You can go back and relish the moment. Michael St. Aubin, everybody, and here's his song in the style of Grateful Dead, American Beauty.
Sunshine, discovering the wonders of the natural world. With a pair of Hawaiian shorts, you're ready to meet that natural girl. When the soccer ball comes, it's time to kick it. You expose your crack as the wind gently whips it. You walk back to the school secretary. She pins your pants and the pricks are very scary, but you sure